Well, just days before the murder retrial of Karen Read is set to begin, there is once again a surprising new development in this high-profile case. The defense is adding a new attorney. And get this, she was an alternate juror during the first trial. NBC10's John Maroney joins us live from Dedham. He's got another close look at what is, yet again, an unexpected twist. John?
Cole, that juror did not take part in deliberations at the first trial, but she is looking to represent Karen Read at the second one.
This case, you hate to keep using the word unprecedented, but it's a word that sticks with this case.
Karen Read's stable of lawyers is getting bigger, with the addition of one who knows the case very well, having been an alternate juror during the first trial. Read has pleaded not guilty to killing her boyfriend, John O'Keefe.
On the day that she was chosen to be an alternate, she clearly had a visible reaction, which I interpreted as disappointment.
NBC10 Boston commentator Sue O'Connell was in the courtroom last summer and remembers George sitting with the jury and apparently next to the foreman.
I often found that the two of them seemed to be sharing inside jokes about things, not necessarily, I think, related to evidence that was being presented or in any way disrespectful. But occasionally the two of them would look at each other and share a laugh.
Good morning.
Morning, Brian.
How are you?
Good to see you.
Right now, 4 attorneys come to court every day with Read. George will be one of only 2 Massachusetts lawyers, the other David Yannetti. Her role for the defense is still unclear.
Other than to aggravate the prosecution and to suggest that this might give them an edge, I'm really not sure what it adds to the team.
The court has approved an expanded buffer zone for the second trial to keep the noise from demonstrators down while prohibiting signs and clothing favoring either side. Ted Russell and his dogs live nearby.
It doesn't really bother me. There's a lot of traffic here. And we've had many big court cases here. This one's gotten more attention than any that I can remember.
Now, Judge Beverly Cannoni, she increased the buffer zone after getting complaints about noise inside the courthouse, as well as complaints from businesses in Dedham Square. We're live in Dedham. John Maroney, NBC10 Boston.
All right, John, thank you. And of course, we're going to continue to follow the latest developments in Karen Read's upcoming retrial. Be sure to stay with us and our sister station, NECN, for live coverage.